Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can transfer one file or anything from one laptop to another. So from one system basically to another system. So both the system has to be connected to the same network through LAN or through Wi-Fi. So I have one MacBook as one laptop and other laptop I have Windows laptop. So you can see here my MacBook laptop. So I am connected to the same Wi-Fi Airtel Puru underscore 1500. So as you can see here my Windows laptop also I can show you the Wi-Fi. So it is connected to the same Wi-Fi. So I will show you wireless transfer over Wi-Fi from one laptop to another. So for that you will have to do the settings. So first I will go to the settings in Windows laptop, and here you have to go to network and internet. Then you go to advanced network share settings, then advanced sharing settings. Yeah, so here I am. So here you go to private networks and you will have to on this network discovery and file and printer sharing option, and here also public network you will have to on this. Yeah, and over the all network I will on this public sharing thing. So password protected sharing I will keep it off because I don't want password while sharing right now. So I will close this, and my PC I have only C drive, so I will right click it. I'll go to property sharing. So you will have to add the disk also which you want to share. So I will go to advanced sharing and I will select this permission, and before there won't be any access, so I have given to everyone full control. So in your before there won't be any permission checked, so I will give allow all full control. You can give read change anything. So I have given full control and I will do apply. Okay, I'll do apply. Okay, and I will close this. So now I will come to my Mac laptop. So here also I have to do the same settings. So in Mac you have to go to the system settings, and in system settings you will have to go to sharing, and here you have go to file sharing. You have to on this toggle to on button file sharing, and you can see the I button. You just click here, and here you will have to add that users and the folder. So I will add this, add a folder. I have added the download as the folder. I am opening it. So download is the folder I have added. So I clicked on download. So who all can like do what? So I will give the permission read and write to all everyone to download folder, and I will do done. So download folder I have added and I have given read and write permission. So this is all about this setting, and I will close this. So you can see my download folder. I will just open it. So you need to know the IP address of your like one system and the other system also. So in this Windows, like you can know the IP address through command line also. So I will, so I think I have typed the wrong command. I will just type this ipconfig. This is the command. So I got my IP address as 192.168. You can see here I have typed this command and I got my IP address as 168.1.3, and in my Windows laptop also I will type the same command. Here you have to type ipconfig. So here you can see, here I got the IP address as 1.4 and my Mac PC address as 1.3. So I'll minimize this. So I will run Windows R, and here I want to connect to that my Mac, which IP address is 1. So you can see here I have entered double slash here and my Mac IP address. So I will click OK. So it is taking time, so it will open a window. So now you can see it is opening. Yeah, so now you can see I got the access to my download folder, which I have given the sharing option. So here you can see in my Windows laptop, I will show you in my Mac laptop. When I am opening this download folder, so this same thing is visible here also in my Windows laptop. So I will copy this you can see here 3.2 MB file. I will copy this JDGUI to my desktop. I will just copy this to my desktop. So it will copy. Now you can see that this file got copied in my Windows laptop. So now there is an image on desktop. I will copy this. I have already copied it. I will copy this to public sharing folder. So I'll just go to this PC, and in C folder I will go to users, public, and in public download I will just paste this image. Yeah, it is already there. Now I will copy this image to my Mac PC. So here in your case there might be other drive also. You just give permission to that drive and you can access from your Mac PC. So now I will show you that fold image. Yeah, now I'm in that image. Now I'm in Mac laptop. So I will just type command K. So it has opened this and it is showing. So here you will have to type to that server address. So as I will, here you type smb:/192.168. Your Windows laptop IP address, and you will have to connect it. So I will connect. So it got connected, you can see here. So now it is showing other drive also. I have already connected it. So this thing, so here you will get the user option and you will have to connect it. So I'll just disconnect the Wi-Fi. So here Windows K I pressed. I will just press Windows K again, and I have typed this as the connect to server IP address of Windows laptop smb:/192.161.4. So I will have to connect here. So it is connecting. I will connect as a guest. So I'll connect. Yeah, you can see here it is showing the C as the like the disk, and D I used to connect it before, that's why it is showing. I will select that user and I will click OK. So it got connected to that user folder. So as you can see here, that public in my laptop, if you go to the user in C folder user, then it will show the public folder. You go to the public, and in Mac laptop, if I go to that public, so it is showing that many folder, and in download folder I can show you downloads, that image is there. So I will copy this image to my Mac laptop. So I'll just drag it to my desktop. So it is now it got copied. So you can see here, this is how you can transfer one file to from Mac laptop to Windows and from Windows to Mac through wirelessly or through network. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.